Na marami na ang napasmile sa inyong dalawa. But you have another surprise na mas mapapasmile ang ating mga audience.
Ikakasal na daw kayo?
Oh my God!
Hindi
Oh
ba?
my God!
Pintig ng puso, ikaw ang pinangarap-ngarap ko. Simula nang matanto.
Inisip ko, who's this girl na makikita ko? Sino ba yung makakatulog in the future? You want to know. Pero nung nakilala ko siya, to be honest, I mean, to be really 100% honest, parang, okay. Okay, thank you. Parang salamat. Parang I didn't have to wait that long. Parang binigay mo na. Parang ganun talaga.
Oh my God, sounds like a marriage proposal. If he were to ask me if he could be my boyfriend, yes. That's just a what if.
Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya't pag-ibig ko'y ikaw.
May something kayo talaga.
Kahit wala kang pamilya, mamahalin kita forever.
Umingiti ng kusa aking puso pagkat nasagot na ang tanong. Nag-aalala noon kung may magmamahal sa akin ng tunay. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay. Puso ay nalulungkot.
First off, I just want to say thank you so much for always being here for me. You're the best guy, a friend, anyone can have.
Best guy friend.
A best guy friend that anyone can have. Sana, magaling ka sa akin. Sana, maayos sa akin. Wow, sobrang sweet. Thank you so much. This means a lot. You are the ultimate brother.
When I met you, that's when I knew na my forever. Hello, ako magbabasa nito. I love you.
Masasabi ko, alam niya that I'm waiting. Alam niya I'm waiting for her. At until that day comes, siya lang. Siya lang talaga. I promise sa lahat, to the Lord, sa lahat, siya lang talaga.
I just want to say congratulations to my brother Enrique and to Liza. You were very stunning and beautiful.
Again, congratulations, and also, of course, Liza. You guys did such a good job, and very, very proud of you guys.
Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya't pag-ibig ko'y ikaw. Puso ay nalumbay ng kay tagal, ngunit ngayon'y nandito na ikaw. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin ang may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya't pag-ibig ko'y ikaw.
Lumalim yung pagtingin niya. Ang cute. 2 years ago na ba yun?
Almost, yeah.